Meet Sutton RV's Surveyor travel trailers. As with every series designed by Surveyor, a premium is placed on superior craftsmanship and unmatched value. By combining lightweight floor plans and efficient design, Surveyor boasts the use of ASDAL in our construction, XTRM-ply PVC roofing, large exterior storage and pet-friendly features, just to name a few. Surveyor delivers superior camping comfort. No need to make sacrifices while you travel. As with every series designed by Surveyor, a premium is placed on superior craftsmanship and unmatched value. By combining lightweight floor plans and efficient design, Surveyor delivers superior camping comfort. No need to make sacrifices while you travel. Surveyor boasts standard seamless kitchen countertops, 22-inch ovens with a recessed glass stove cover, and a residential pull-out sprayer faucet. Modern conveniences on the road. Surveyor's selection of family coaches is sure to cover your family camping needs. From smaller lightweight models to the largest with a triple slide, Surveyor has something to fit your family. This beautiful trailer is now available at Sutton RV. Stock number 6030. A family tradition for 98 years. At Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.
Living each day at your own pace, moving down the road from place to place. We can make your dreams come true in your very own RV. Come by, we're easy to find. 6th and 7th at 99 at George and Sutton. You're gonna